Here we are, the bird feeder, all cut and machined. There's all our parts. They got about 35mm screws, 32mm screws, 20mm screws. Got the tongue and groove cut down for the tray. Got the backboard, the base, the bottle holder, and then the roof. Cut list works out that we've taken it all from one plank. Can do the roof bits as well. I've had to cut so many, I've made the roof bits slightly thinner, just so it's easier for the kids to distinguish between them. The base panel is going to screw on there. Pilot drill to make it easy for the kids. Line it up. The bottle holder, line on like that, on there. The roof will screw, so holes at the back, we'll screw it there and there. The roof itself will screw together through those two, and that hole screw down into there, so they can screw that together, plonk it on top, screw that in, screw those two bits in. We'll probably get them to screw those bits in together, then screw the roof on top afterwards. Got two long and one short. The two long will go on the side, and one short on the front. But you have to keep all your holes see the markings out, get them all in the same place. So if you're making more than one of these, you can really get on and mark them all out with pilot holes, so it's nice and easy. It's more this piece that it goes in the right place, so when the bottle goes through it should end up set in the right place. Looks a little high, we'll see. Obviously the kids will actually be using a hand screwdriver because it's good for their hand-eye coordination. Countersinks outside. Obviously you want to drill a 10mm hole there So a screw head go into the fence panel, and that will just hook straight on over the top. Bottle sits in there, just off the deck, so like a chicken feeder. The seed will come out, fill up the tray, and then stop at the bottom there. And the screws will go through nicely. Right. Making sure the screws are set in far enough to go into that piece, not there. Set in the same distance there and there, making machining nice and easy if you're making a few of these. There we go. So you just need to be careful of the height of this to the bottom of there. That is the same height, if not lower, than the top edge of this. All good. Of course, you can paint it, just don't paint in there. Paint anywhere else, just not in there. They won't like it on the bird seed. Of course, they can make any patterns or anything on the back, to mum, make the roof nice and pretty, whatever they want. Different colours, different pictures. So, the mounting hole just there.